Did you know that in the farthest corners of the cosmos, even hope can flicker out like a dying star? Yet it's in this darkness that a hero will rise. Welcome to the epic tale of Commander Jesus, a leader unlike any the galaxy has ever known. This time, his mission is not about rebellion or battling a tyrant. No, this time, it's about harmony, restoring the cosmic symphony that was fractured eons ago. A galaxy torn apart not by war, but by discord. Planets fractured within themselves, entire civilizations collapsing into chaos. The Galactic Dominion was once powerful enough to oppress all life forms, but infighting has diminished even their tyranny. Neighboring systems glare suspiciously at one another, and constant miscommunication turns diplomacy into futile shouting. Ever since the ancient artifacts, called celestial echoes, were scattered across the galaxy, the core of resonance has been undone. And Commander Jesus, the chosen harmonizer of the architect's grand design, is the only being capable of bringing them together once more. Inside the Emmanuel, Commander Jesus briefs his team. The next great mission lies ahead. Zara stands beside him, her dual blades sheathed, but her stance as unwavering as ever. Lux taps away nervously at his tablet, instructions to recalibrate the ship's harmonics spilling from his lips. Elysia, her ethereal teal skin shimmering under the neon lights, observes quietly, her diplomat heart always searching for connections. Commander Jesus speaks, his calm yet commanding voice. The celestial echoes are fragments of the architect's original melody. They bind planets together in harmony. We can't only find these echoes, we have to heal the broken melody for trust to be reborn. It's not about power, it's about unity. The adventure begins on Diran 4, a planet that at first glance appears barren, but deep beneath its surface lies the echo of resolve. The moment they land, Zara leads the team into the ever-shifting caverns, where echoes of ancient chants seem to sing of forgotten peace. It's a puzzle, mutters Lux, scanning the walls as laser grids block their path. Commander Jesus steps forward. His hands, glowing with golden light, touch the grid as if it's alive. Technology bends to purpose, he says. With a pulse of radiant power, the grid transforms into a glowing doorway. They pass through, greeted by the echo itself, a hovering orb of pure, resonant energy. But the journey isn't without challenges. On the planet of Auronix, the team races against time. A seismic event threatens to destroy a floating city. Zara skillfully pilots the rescue shuttles, while Elysia negotiates with city leaders. Meanwhile, Jesus stands before the echo of compassion, his presence calming the upheaval, shifting tectonic forces into a delicate dance. Over the span of episodes, they locate the 7 celestial echoes: resolve, compassion, trust, creation, redemption, forgiveness, and love. With each encounter, Jesus and his team heal not just the fractured energy, but also the wounded hearts of the beings they meet. Lux builds bridges between advanced technologies and forgotten archives of wisdom. Elysia mediates between opposing factions. And Zara, ever the defender, learns the strength of stepping back, as Jesus shows her that sometimes battles are fought with words of understanding, not blades. The finale brings them to the great abyss, the Eternium Rift, where all sound vanishes. It's the heart of the galactic fracture, a place no light dares to reach. Here lies the final echo, love. But it's guarded by a shadowy titan, born of the Dominion's hatred and envy. As the beast descends upon them, Jesus opens his arms wide. Love doesn't destroy, he says. It awakens. With a single word, Jesus summons the true power of the echoes, each now radiating a unique hue of possibility. The melody fills the rift, and time stands still. The Titan, overwhelmed by light, dissolves, revealing a small, quivering creature rejoining the narrative of the galaxy. As the wreckage of discord fades, each crew member reflects on their journey. Elysia gazes out into the endless expanse, her once worn diplomat heart anew. Lux inspects the latest machine, a harmonizer designed to keep planets resonating in balance. Zara softly says, "I never thought battles could end this gently." Jesus, smiling with warmth, replies, "Not every battle is won with strength. Some are won with love." The galaxy sings once more. Commander Jesus and his crew are far from done. They are guardians of a cosmos that must forever learn the importance of harmony. Join their adventures and let Commander Jesus remind you that, even in the darkest corners, unity is always possible. Until then, keep the melody alive within your own hearts.